morning here in Kent County, Michigan. And still pretty dark in this gully, but it's getting pretty light up top. But here's the deal, I'm sitting on a bedding area where it's a big buck bedding area. I gotta be out of the woods by like 9:30 because I have the privilege of going to the Sleeping Bear Dune Marathon with my wife this weekend. It's gonna be a great time, so well, I'm excited. We'll see what happens. Well, got a doe. That was a perfect shot. It's time for me to get down though. I got a lot of work to do, and I'm pretty excited. That was perfect. Buck Boys Outdoors here in Michigan. And we just put some good meat in the freezer. That was it. In the world? Another deer over there. Here's the first arrow shot this morning, and look what we got. We got good blood. There's some right there. There's a decent amount. We got a beautiful, beautiful blood trail here to follow. So we're gonna go tracking. I'm gonna head out and track this thing, and we'll see what we got. I'm filming by myself here today, so I won't be able to film the tracking portion of this deal, but I need to go find this deer, so we'll get back with you as soon as possible. Well, I actually had the chance to take 2 does this morning, filled 2 of my doe tags, and that's really great because now I've got my meat in the freezer and I can just kind of focus on enjoying myself in the woods, and I don't necessarily have to shoot it, everything that walks by. So I've got my meat for the year, and I could use a little more, but I'm pretty good. So I'm definitely thanking the Lord that this happened, and I'm just so glad to be out here. It's a beautiful cold fall morning, just absolutely love it. So thank you for watching.